especially in a down economy where there are a lot more candidates than actual job openings, it's even more important to be effective at managing the candidate experience, because candidates are going to remember how they were treated, especially during this difficult time. The biggest mistake that employers do when dealing with a candidate is not communicating the status of their candidacy throughout the process. Oftentimes employers simply ignore candidates with whom they do not have a positive outcome in mind to discuss with them. Another big mistake that employers tend to make is that they don't communicate what the job really is. They will explain to the candidate a little bit about what they think the job is, because perhaps maybe the HR or recruiter hasn't done a good job in assessing what the job profile is and talking to the hiring manager and other members of that department to find out a little bit more about what that job really requires, what the job will require the person to do in the first 60, 80, 90 days, etc. Instead, they will wait to get a list of things that the candidate must have rather than what the candidate will do. And what will happen is there's a mismatch oftentimes when that candidate is actually hired. Employers can know how they're dealing with candidate experience simply by asking the candidate. And that's a huge issue for employers. They're afraid to ask the candidate for their opinion because they know that they may get information they don't want to hear. So most employers, I would say 95% of employers out there, will never ask a candidate about their experience as a candidate. Some employers may ask new hires about how the experience went, but of course those people already got the job, so they're happy. So one of the things that I recommend can really improve this process is if employers actually ask a candidate about their experience, even if they didn't give them the job. And the way to do that is simply to ask them in a survey or even picking up the phone and just asking them after the fact, how did we do in this process?